Can you do more than that? Can you sing again without the music?
Another movie coming on.
Oh. So you can't sing again for me? Oh, okay. What was that? You want to whistle for me? Show me how you whistle.
Dad whistling.
You know that song. Sing that song. Sing that song. Okay, I got you whistling. Can you sing that song? You don't know that song?
I do.
Okay. Okay. You done?
This is the real life Thomas one.
Okay. Are you done?
No.
What else are you going to do? I'm going to turn off the video if you don't do anything. What else are you going to do?
Okay, put it in.
Okay, hang on. This is Lily's tooth she just lost, huh? It's going to the tooth fairy. To the tooth fairy. Are you going to tape it up? Okay.
Wait, it did not go down all the way.
Put it in your envelope. Show them your envelope. What's your envelope say? Hi, Tooth Fairy. What's she gonna leave you? A pickle?
Mommy.
She leaves pickles? Does she leave lima beans? Brussels sprouts? What do you think she's gonna leave you?
Money.
Money? I think she's on a budget this year. Maybe she'll just leave you some lint from the dryer. That'd be okay? Huh? An IOU? Maybe a button. Would a button be okay?
You owed me.
I owe you. I don't owe you. Tooth Fairy would owe you.